someone else has scouted the route and knows that it's a good place to ride. And then they get to share that with you. And that's really incredible. It's made me appreciate nature that's accessible from a city center. You know, nature that's far away and well-preserved and hidden is all well and good, but getting there, you know, can be a real barrier. But with these rides, it's accessible from the city of origin. And I think that's really powerful. It like helps remind me that trees and mountains are still right here. And I think that's, yeah, it's really important. I think that cycling, especially long distance cycling where you have to pace yourself, puts you at a really remarkable intersection. It's not so fast that you miss what you're going through, but it is fast enough that you can really cover some incredible distance and see the way in which the land changes. It does help you feel more in touch with the places where you ride. There are just like beautiful stretches that I've ridden that I would not have ridden were it not for randonneuring.